My list is getting shorter, and I only have a few weeks before the campgrounds open up. It's hard to go camping in a truck that doesn't work. I got a new battery. The steering fluid leaks like crazy, so I need to take it into the mechanic. Well, on my long list of things that I need to get done, getting my truck repaired is one of them. So I brought it over to Walt, and he's going to fix me up. He's going to fix the steering leak that I've had for years, and he's also going to change the oil.
This was your problem.
And what is that?
That's a power steering pressure switch.
So that was the
And
leak?
it was leaking out of there. Hi, my name is Walt Menzel. As you can see on the sign, we're from Northern Auto. We're 12 miles from the Canadian border in the state of Washington. If you're ever up this way, please stop by and we can fix you up.
All right, I'm back. Got a tank full of gas and gonna go to storage, go look for a bunch of my survival books. So today's a big, huge celebration because I'm gonna go to the storage unit, start cleaning it out and finding my camping gear and getting ready to go camping. My friend John at the apartments, he was giving this away, so it's a little tiny one. And for a single guy, this would be much better than one of the big ones, so. Okay, this is complete overkill, I know, but I got a bunch of reading stuff. The SAS Guide to Tracking. Whoa! The Way of Herbs, the Indian Teepee, Precision Bow Hunting, Nomadic Teepee Makers. I got this when we bought the teepee from Nomadics out of Bend, Oregon. The Wilderness Cabin shows you how to build different types of cabins. God's Promises, it's a good reminder. American Indian Cooking, how Indians use wild plants for food and medicine and crafts. Native Harvests, wild foods and recipes. So I got a bunch of books. I probably won't take them all at the same time camping, but I will take the ones I'm interested in first. And when I'm sitting out at my campsite relaxing, I am going to sit and read some books and learn some things. Getting my fishing license. You need my ID or something?
What's your phone number?
All right. Got my fishing license, so I can do freshwater fish. This is my little buddy. She's gonna help me clean out the back of my truck, right? Right, little buddy?
I'm Sonic.
Oh, sorry, Sonic. Are you gonna help me clean out the back of the truck, Sonic?
Yes.
All right, okay, come on. First thing we gotta do is put away our arrows.
Whoa, so cool. Those are really, really, really
See that?
No, they're cool.
Aren't they cool?
Yeah, they're really, really so cool.
Yep. So we got to pull these out and put them in here.
Can I help you?
Sure. You want to pull an arrow out of there for me? Yeah, these are, I think they're carbide. And they got the tips, practice tips on them that screw off. And so I've got a couple recurve bows that I want to do some practice. One's a 50-pound and one's a 40-pound recurve.
I'm fishing with it. I'm intending to fish.
Yeah, my neighbor Bob gave me this fishing pole. I told him I wanted to go fishing. I hadn't been fishing since did a lot of fishing since I was 20. And he goes, well, I got a brand new one I'll give you. And pulled it out of his truck and gave it to me. This one I know isn't going to snap. That old one will probably snap because it's been sitting out in the sun forever. I got a whole bunch of stuff on my list done. I got enough done that I'm ready to go camping. And I just happened to have gotten a text from my friend Aaron wanting me to go camping this week with him and Will Ulmer. Chances are the next video you see is going to be us camping, having fun out there in the woods.